If you're seeing Gmail error 452 4.2.2, don't worry. This usually means the recipient's mailbox is full or their Google storage has hit the limit, so your message can't be delivered yet. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, what to tell the recipient, and how to resend your email the smart way. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. First, let's understand what the error means. Gmail error 452 4.22 is usually not a problem with your account. It's typically a storage issue on the recipient side. Their Gmail inbox, Google Drive, or Google Photos may be full, and until they free up space, incoming messages may keep bouncing back. So the first step is to wait for the recipient to clear space. If you can contact them, ask them to delete old emails, empty the trash, and remove any large files they no longer need from Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Photos. Once their storage drops below the limit, they should be able to receive your email again. After they've cleared space, go back and resend your message. If the email is urgent, the next best step is to contact them another way. You can use a phone call, SMS, or instant messaging to let them know their inbox is rejecting emails because of storage limits. This is important because they may not even realize their account is full. A quick message can save you a lot of time and help them fix the issue faster. Now, if your email is large, you should also reduce the size of the message before sending it again. Open the email draft and look for big attachments. Remove any unnecessary or compress the files if possible. If the file is too large, a better option is to upload it to cloud storage and share a link instead of attaching it directly. That keeps your email light and improves the chance of delivery. After making those changes, resend the email. If the recipient has already cleared space, your message should go through normally. If not, wait a little while and try again later, since Gmail and other mail systems can take time to update storage limits. A good habit is to check the attachment size before sending important emails, especially if you're sending photos, videos, reports, or documents. Smaller emails are easier to deliver and less likely to get blocked by mailbox limits. So to recap, ask the recipient to clear space, contact them through another method if needed, reduce your attachment size, and resend the email once their storage is back under the limit. That's the simplest way to handle Gmail error 452 4.22. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.